My parents kept a huge secret about my health, and now it's ruining my life. I just found out I have a serious illness, a degenerative one with no cure. My body's going to slowly get worse, and the worst part? My parents have known about this my whole life and never told me. This illness runs in my family. My dad's mom had it, and my aunt died from it. When she passed, my parents told me it was cancer. They lied. They only admitted the truth after I got diagnosed myself. When I confronted them, my dad dodged every question, acting like I was overreacting. My mom tried to justify it, saying they didn't want me living in fear. Are you serious? I could have been prepared. But no, they let me walk into this blind. And it gets worse. I have a 2-year-old son. He could have it too, and they didn't say a word. I could have had him tested, made different choices, but they took that from me. Now, I live in fear for him too. When I told my mom I wished I'd never been born to deal with this, she acted like I was the bad guy. But yeah, I said it. They were selfish, and I meant every word. Now they want me to keep this secret from my younger siblings, who haven't been tested yet, but I'm not going to lie to them. They deserve to know the truth. I've gone low contact with my parents. They weren't protecting me. They were protecting themselves, but I refuse to protect them anymore. I'm not going to let my siblings and my son live in fear like I am now.